back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia and today we are showing you an apartment that has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and super nice community pool. And it's offered for a price of 159,000 euros. It's located in La Mata, in the area of Molino del Agua. We have a park that is also called this name, and it has, by that park, you have very nice promenade in 5 minutes to the beach of La Mata, where the dunes are, and of course the center where the shops, the bus stations, the medical center, and more are located. All the services in a very good access from this area. So now, enough for that. Let's see what the apartment offers from inside. Okay, so now let's get to see the property from inside. And we have one of the accesses here from the communal area right to the balcony or terrace. It's a huge space, and as you can see, we can enjoy the sun because we have a south orientation here, so we will have sun all day long. And yeah, this is the so big terrace. You can put a nice table, you can put chairs to sunbathe if you don't have enough space on the communal area. But now I want to show you what it has more. This is an enclosed area, so you can use it as a storage as well. As you can see, this is exactly what the owners are doing right now. But it's super nice that you can close it on, and when you are away from home, your belongings are safe. Now let's go inside. So here we have the living area. As you can see, the furniture is pretty nice and we have a good space. What I like the most is that we have not only one window, we also have the big door, so we have a little bit more of natural light coming in. And here is the dining area, and now I want to show you the kitchen. It's very nice that the kitchen is separate, so you can have all of the smells when you're cooking here, and they also can go right in that window. But a very nice feature is that probably if you wanted, you could take this wall down and you could open up the space if you like that type of distribution of the house. Now let's see the bedrooms. This is the first one, and again we have a very nice big door that gives access to your balcony. So apart from that, you have tons of natural light. Follow me to see the next one. Here we have the other 2 bedrooms. This would be the main one with, again, tons of natural light. You have very good space, and overall the best here is that the property is so well kept, you don't really need to do anything. You can just come and live here. Here we have the first bathroom. It's very nice space, and you have a full bathtub there to enjoy your bath. Now, on the other side, we have the small bedroom, but still you have a nice window, and they can fit there a bed, a wardrobe, everything that is needed for a comfy bedroom. And now the last part of the property that I want to show you is the second full bathroom. As you can see, it's nicely kept, and you have the shower plate in this one. And this would be the actual entrance to the property. This is very nice, and I want to show you because your other neighbors have to go from the other side of the building to access to their property. But you have a very nice feature, and is that from parking your car right there in your communal parking, you have that door and you go directly to your house. So it's very convenient, especially when you have the groceries. So to wrap up for this apartment, guys, why I think it's a nice property and why you should buy it is because you have 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom for a very good price. 159,000 in today's market is amazing. You have communal parking, community pool, especially that one is really nice because it can fit a lot of people, and all of your neighborhood in general, it's not a block of apartments, only this one. The rest is only houses, so you have really not so many neighbors as you may think. And this location, we have the supermarkets, everything in close access by a couple of minutes by car, but also if you want to, you could go walking. The beach, by the way, is less than 1 kilometer from this nice house, and you can go by the Parque del Molino. My favorite feature, again, about this house is the sunny terrace, because sometimes when you find ground floor apartments, they are really dark, and it's it doesn't have the feeling of a home, but this one does. Big windows, sun-oriented house, and I think it is perfect. If you need any more information, guys, about this property, you know where you have to send a message to this number right here, and then you can contact me and have maybe a viewing as well. See you in the next one. Bye.